In this video, I'm going to share with you how to write powerful Facebook ad copy that converts, that make your business. After knowing the strategy, you will know difference between what is a bad ad copy and what is a good ad copy that converts, that make businesses, right? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate more than 36 million in revenue for my clients. For those who wish to work with me or want me to look their ads, they can book directly using the link in description. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment if you have any doubt. Now, let's start the video. For instance, this one client came to us, hey, we are doing this skeleton bone understanding and understanding injuries of the patients and teaching them Pilates and bunch of high-tech medical stuff. First of all, this is like a vehicle. What is the opportunity? What it is? Why would someone do a diploma in this stuff? Where they are right now in journey as a Pilates instructor, where it is they want to go, and why would they want to go and spend $6,000 on diploma and all the time and energy and being away from their family and studying this stuff? Like, what is the end thing that they want? So the client will tell you things. These things are called widget, how it is great, and all that stuff. All we want to know, the opportunity is what we are selling here. We want to know exactly what these people want, why they do it. In fact, they want to understand like the skeleton is not good enough, right? And then, and what are the pain points of where they are right now? Is it they are getting multiple complaints? Is it that they are injuring students? Is it their business is stuck? They haven't been able to get ahead? Whatever it might be. And then positioning the diploma as the bridge to take them from where they are right now and where they want to go, right? So you have got something called a unique mechanism, and that has two different parts to the problem, right? What is this unique mechanism to the problem that they are in, right? They don't have a good understanding of anatomy and skeleton system, and as a result of that, like they are unable to help people in the best ability that they can, and it basically result in people dropping off. That is a unique problem that we are bringing attention to, that is created by the people and only people having a certificate in Pilates training, not a diploma. Then once we have the positioning, then we want to position the unique mechanism to solve the problem, right? So we agitate the problem and then we say all these things exist, and you need to say them in a way that is very visceral, where they actually understand. It's like it's real, not just like in a broad way. So these are the problems, right? It need to be really, really detailed. Mm, and I will share with you an example of that is some copy that I read somewhere and then implemented and it blew my mind, right? Took the inspiration from there, right? Look, you are young, maybe you are old, and a little birdie told me that you have spent countless of hours online, scoring the darkest corner of the internet, reading the works of dozens of so-called gurus, reading blogs to the latest ebooks, watching webinars, YouTube videos, doing courses, learning about SEO, meta tags, keywords, Google Analytics, Facebook ads, pixels, backlinks, opt-in page, double opt-in list, email sequences, remarketing and copywriting tool for this tool, and pixel for that. And then, oh my gosh, I discovered another marketing guy who say, and so on. After all this education, the hours of effort, self sacrifice, money invested, dedication, and tenacity, not to mention the never ending employee issue and never ending challenge of lies. This causes you in your head to be so helpful of mush that you feel like they are only few points to give up. There are only few options: to give up, throw up, cry, and throw your MacBook out of the window and scream right, so that like that very vividly explain. And I understand all the challenges that this market is facing. That's me agitating the problem, speaking the problem clearly. So they are like, wow. And in the next line of copy is, what if there is a better way, right? And then like mechanism of the solution to that nightmare, right? So it is the same thing that we need to understand. What if they are doing, what is it that they are doing, like, is it never ending injuries, complaints, and whatever it might be? We need to really say that those things, and they are like, they are hitting my injuries again. Like, they really understand what is it, and then we present the solution, which is to do the diploma or courses or this e-learning courses, right? So it's more about opportunity. It's not about actual 8-week programs with 40 modules. No one cares about that. And then once you got those things, then it become quite simple. Yeah, so we just need to weave through that. That's why I call these things raw material. Like, you need to go and get those raw materials from the clients. And what most marketers do is do right, and most copywriter do, they think it's more about finishing and polishing of the words that make that make people buy you, right? It's not how you say it, it's what you say. I could say all those things in a very simple way, but as long as I am saying the right thing, it will be more effective than somebody that's saying the wrong thing in really good way. Yeah, but everyone just in this market, everyone is just obsessed over the words and hypey headlines, like create these headlines and you will get the results. This is not going to happen. And this shit really doesn't matter if you don't know what to say. So the biggest part of your job is finding out what to say. Thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below.